Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix the SD card files not showing on Ender 3 S1 Pro. Now this is a very common glitch on this specific printer model, and basically it's also easy to fix. Now if you go ahead and drag your model onto your SD card, maybe let's drag something like this specific STL file right here, and then let's drag it into our SD card, which is going to be the Kingston card. Now, if you go ahead and basically unplug this, now it will automatically disconnect it onto our computer. And if you plug this onto your printer, it won't show any file. Now, the way to fix this is to basically just get your SD card again, and you also have to make sure that you have plugged it correctly. In most cases, you have to put it upside down in order to connect it with your Ender printer, but just go ahead and connect it back onto your computer. Once it's connected, you then want to navigate through your system tray, and then you want to locate your SD card, and then you can just click on the eject button. Now, it's going to be the same procedure if you're using the Macintosh or the Mac OS. You just want to click on your SD card, and from there you want to select eject. So just click on the eject function, and now it says that it's safe to remove our hardware. So just remove the SD card, plug it back onto your printer, and from there you're good to go. You can now see your files on the SD card. Now, that's a very common glitch on the printer itself. It's really annoying, but that's all you have to do in order to fix this. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.